Hello, I'm Mary Ellen. Welcome to my channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow, where we embrace the mess, laugh at the mishaps and celebrate the progress. Whether I'm cooking up a recipe, burning my fingers on the hot glue gun while crafting, digging in the garden or heading out on a family adventure, it's all about learning, growing and giving ourselves permission to not be perfect. Mistakes happen, and that's okay because in life's messes we learn and grow. Around here we focus on enjoying the process and making messy memories. So if you're into real-life creativity with a side of chaos, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're making a fun and delicious twist on a classic favorite, dairy-free fried ice cream cake. This dessert has all the crispy, creamy goodness of traditional fried ice cream, but with no dairy involved. It's cool and refreshing with a crunchy topping and warm flavors that make it perfect for parties, summer get-togethers, or any time you want to wow your taste buds. And the best part? It's easier to make than you might think. No deep frying required. Here are the ingredients you'll need for your dairy-free fried ice cream cake. For the dairy-free ice cream, 1 cup sugar, 1 can coconut cream, 1 can coconut milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. For the fried cake layer, 3/4 cup sugar, 1/2 cup plant-based butter, 3 cups crushed corn flakes, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Optional. You can also top it with dairy-free whipped cream, a drizzle of chocolate syrup, or a sprinkle of cinnamon sugar before serving. Instructions for dairy-free fried ice cream cake. Blend the ice cream base. Add the coconut cream, coconut milk, sugar, vanilla extract, and cinnamon into a high-speed blender. Blend on the ice cream setting or pulse for about 2 minutes until smooth and creamy. Freeze the ice cream. Pour the blended mixture into a freezer-safe container and freeze until solid. This may take several hours or overnight. Prepare the cornflake topping and base. Crush your cornflakes and set aside. In a saucepan over medium heat, melt the plant-based butter. Once melted, stir in the sugar and cinnamon. Bring to a gentle simmer, stirring constantly. Add in the crushed cornflakes and fold them in until they're fully coated in the buttery mixture. Assemble the cake. In a cake pan, press half of the cornflake mixture evenly into the bottom to form the crust. Take the frozen ice cream out and let it soften slightly so it's spreadable. Spread the softened ice cream over the cornflake crust to form an even middle layer. Smooth the top. Add the remaining cornflake mixture on top, pressing it gently into the ice cream layer. Freeze again. Cover the pan and freeze for a few hours or until firm and set. Serve and enjoy. Slice and serve with your favorite toppings like dairy-free whipped cream, a cherry on top, or a drizzle of chocolate or caramel sauce. Enjoy this cool, crispy and creamy treat. No frying required. And that's how you make our delicious dairy-free fried ice cream cake. A cool, crunchy treat that's perfect for any occasion. Fun fact, fried ice cream is believed to have originated at American fairs in the 1890s, but some say it gained popularity through Mexican and Asian cuisine. No matter where it started, one thing's for sure, it's always a crowd pleaser. Let us know in the comments, what toppings would you add to your fried ice cream cake? You can find the full written instructions down in the video description. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you like this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.